Hey, look at that mineral water there, buddy.
Ah, what ABV is this, man?
It's 7.25 there, friend.
No, it's not. It's 100% natural, man. Got me off of drive sands.
Honest girl and all. Show me is you really about your money, girl and all. Don't play with a boss.
Holy dang! Dang, man! How the heck do you zip?
Hey. Where are we going now, man?
I think we might have to figure out and go under a bridge there, buddy.
Yeah? Going under a bridge?
I think we will.
I think we're going underneath a bridge here. Alright, so we're just going underneath this bridge here, buddy?
Yeah, man.
Just I mean, it looks kind of spooky. It'd be super weird if we had to pay like a troll toll or something. Hey. Whoa! Where'd Bird go? What? What was that?
You have your toll, mate!
It's a bridge troll! He's asking for a toll!
They didn't even. I thought I was their friend, man.
Oh Jesus, one of these guys. Alright, I just gotta like not make eye contact. Maybe he won't talk to me or something.
Got me told.
No, sorry, man. So I'm just like walking down through here. It's awesome. It's like super beautiful. They installed a whole lot more new art statues and stuff, and I'm just really interested in it. You guys?
You up for a wild time?
You guys hear that? I don't know.
Want the ride of your life?
Shout out to Mayor Pete, man, for just installing a lot more like just open, beautiful interpretations of art.
Dad? Dad! Dad, it's me, Lauren! Dude, Dad! Again? You said you changed!
Dude, is this the Wet Saloon? It's like the hottest strip club in Mishawaka. Well, I've only been here once, but I was like hammered like a couple weekends ago. It was a Sunday. It was like Sunday at noon.
Wow.
There were a ton of girls in bikinis here, dude.
I mean, it is a. Oh my God! Wet Saloon is open for business. Look at that, man. Bunch of geese. Whole flock of birds.
You guys didn't tell me you were freaking leaving today. You said it was next week, man. What the hell, Jordan?
Can I get a zip? Peace. No. No, there was wind. There was wind, man. There's some serious wind. What you got, man?
Hey, man, I just want to shout out Larry Bird, man. I couldn't put up 33 miles an hour just without that inspiration, man. You know, shout out him, Indiana. You're like a big brother to me.
Couldn't drop a 33 bomb without L Bird.
Man. I'm L Bird.
You are L Bird.
I love you, Larry.